Do you sometimes come across a word that you do not know the definition of? If so, you can look it up using the dictionary tool. The dictionary, which has a book icon, is found on the pop-up command list when you highlight a word in an HTML file. Let's use the example of not knowing the definition of the word librarian. To use the dictionary, first highlight the word and then select Dictionary from the pop-up commands. A pop-up window with the definition for the word will appear. Notice you can play, pause, or stop the reading of the definition. You can also increase or decrease the font size, change the reading speed, or change the text font size, font, and background colors by using the tools at the top of the page. Let's look up the word articles. Notice that the definition cannot be found. Words that have suffixes such as s, ed, er, and ing are not found in many online and paper dictionaries, but the root word can be found. To find the root word definition, highlight the word, leaving off the suffix, and then click on the dictionary in the pop-up commands. If the word can be used for more than one part of speech, the definition will appear for each part of speech that applies. Notice in our example that the word article can be used as a noun and a verb. By looking up definitions of unfamiliar words, your vocabulary will increase.